So today I'm going to show you how to create an stored procedure to block anyone from creating an invoice that does not have a sales order as a base document. So the lineup of the programs that we're going to start with the query. This is the query that we're going to paste into our SQL Studio. It says basically every time when someone creates by adding a new invoice or updating an existing invoice, a block is given right at the bottom that says customer invoice without a sales order cannot be created. And our invoice is the one that we're going to block, which is object type number 13 in SAP Business 1. The next thing we're going to do is how to find the stored procedure schema in SQL Server Studio. Then we're going to insert the query and test it. Finally, we're going to log on to SAP Business 1 and test the stored procedure. So without wasting your time, I'm going to log into my server management studio, which I'm already in. Then I navigate to database. I go on to the database that I wish to insert the block on. Then I scroll down and look for where it says SBO transaction notification. It must be right at the bottom, if I'm not mistaken. Just a minute. Just a minute. So this is where it is. So I'm gonna right click and click on modify. Then where it says add your code here, that's where I'm gonna add my code. So I'm gonna go back to this, then I copy this from here to there, then I say copy, then I come back to my studio and I insert the query. Now I'm going to have to execute it to test if it's functioning well. Then I click on this button that says execute. Right at the bottom, it gives me a message that says commands completed successfully. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my SAP Business One now. Then I go to my AR invoice. I'm going to create an invoice that does not have a base document in it, which is my invoice. So I'm going to click on customer. I go on to choose my item. My item is going to be the oxide. I'm going to choose it like that. So that's my oxide. Let me go and try to add the document. So I'm going to say yes. Yes to that as well. Yes to that. You see right at the bottom now it gives me this message that says customer invoice without sales order cannot be created, which means my stored procedure is triggered. Okay. So I'm now going to test with a sales order. I'm just going to go and say my modules, sales order. I choose any, my customer. Okay. I'm going to choose that. And I'm going to say, okay, my delivery date is missing. I'm going to save that document. Document has been saved. Now let me try and copy this to an AR invoice and see if it works. So I'm just going to save it as it is. As you can see, the operation was completed successfully if I referenced a sales order. So for more information about these stored procedures, if you need any assistance, kindly contact me on my email address below, which is tashmatamba@gmail.com. All right, thank you so much for your time, YouTubers.